Hi everyone, it's Gabi from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today I have an idea, but first we need a car. Follow me. Hi Pat.
Hey Gabi, what's going on?
Can I talk to you?
Yes?
Can I borrow your car?
Yeah, I mean, like my golf clubs are in it. How long do you need it for?
Fine. Maybe an hour?
Yeah, I gotta go to the bank. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
But I'm turning on valet mode.
Serious, valet mode is a fantastic feature that allows the driver, so Pat in this case, to see the driving dynamics whenever it's engaged. So on all our screens that are 10.25 inches or larger, so like the EV6 for example, this is our 12.3 inch display, you'll see a valet mode icon. Give that a click and then you'll enter a password. So you'll set a new password each time. I'm doing a very tricky one. And then it'll activate valet mode. This is essentially going to lock out whoever's driving the vehicle from your radio, from your navigation history, from your phone contacts, any sort of personal info you can get on this car. You're locked into this screen. And as you can see, it reports when the valet mode was turned on, when the car was turned off, your driving distance, driving time, and top speed. By the way, this is the Kia EV6 GT, which has a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour. If you want to see Pat get scared, Alright, so far I've just driven around the block. We're at 1.7 kilometers, 3 minutes of the vehicle running, and then top speed only 54 kilometers per hour. The speed limit's been 50 here. We're going to get onto the highway and get to highway speeds, and you'll see how it reports. So it updates the report. You'll also be able to see this on your Kia Connect app, so that's something that's very convenient. Of course, if your car's with a valet, you're not going to see it. You're not going to be able to check the screen and see what their driving was like. So the fact that you can just pull out your phone and check the driving, those are the golf clubs. The fact that you can check the driving dynamics from your phone whenever you want is extremely, extremely helpful. Also, if you're curious, when you turn off your vehicle, valet mode is still active until you set in the password. So here's our screen. You can see our driving dynamics. Turn the car off. Turn it back on again. Screen will wake up. And then only until I set my password, it's Fort Knox over here, we have our media back. So Pat is also going to get this updated to his phone, like I mentioned earlier. It is super, super convenient, and of course, no one can really bypass this unless they know your password. So, valet mode's great and all, but the one thing it doesn't protect you from, your stuff isn't safe. Here's your keys, Pat.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Don't check your phone.
You know I'm gonna check my phone.